Before you would engage in any process of change, you need to sort things on a metaphysical level, as they would interfere it or even block any attainment. You need to be completely clean on the level of thoughts. Hold no resentment. Let go of any non-attached to the goal issues. You need also to have a set of instructions on how to act towards others, and how the rewarding and punishing mechanisms work, all in order to establish your new way of successful living, which will provide you the required foundation for any progress and development. It all goes through the understanding and forcing yourself to act along the laws which operate in this reality, until your actions and patterns of thought won't become your true nature. Keep in mind that knowing isn't enough. You need to build those characteristics as a pattern of your automated daily responses.